Imagine a world where the oceans fall silent, not from emptiness, but from the absence of human noise. This was the unexpected reality during the 2020 lockdowns, when global shipping ground to a halt and the seas became a stage for the symphony of marine life. But here's where it gets fascinating. This brief period of quiet revealed just how much our noise pollution disrupts the underwater world. And this is the part most people miss. The ocean is far from silent. It's a bustling acoustic environment where fish crackle, shrimp snap, and whales sing across vast distances. For decades, we assumed the ocean was a quiet place, limited by what our ears could detect. But the invention of hydrophones, underwater microphones, in the early 20th century unveiled a hidden soundscape. Marine species, it turns out, rely heavily on sound for communication, breeding, and feeding. Yet, as human-produced noise has surged, these vital behaviors are increasingly threatened. Since 2010, scientists have sought ways to quiet the seas to study the impact of noise on marine life. Then came the pandemic, offering a rare natural experiment. With shipping and tourism at a standstill, global maritime trade dropped by 4.1%, and in some areas, marine traffic plummeted by 70%. This led to a 6% reduction in shipping noise energy worldwide, allowing researchers to listen to the ocean before, during, and after lockdown using 200 hydrophones placed around the globe. The results were striking. In New Zealand's Hauraki Gulf, underwater noise levels dropped to 1/3 of normal within 12 hours of lockdown, extending the communication range of fish and dolphins by up to 65%. For dolphins, this meant their calls could travel an additional mile, a significant increase. But why does this matter? Sound is the primary sense for most marine animals. Over 2/3 of the estimated 20,000 fish species produce sound, using it for everything from mating to territorial defense. Whales communicate across thousands of kilometers through the deep sound channel, while snapping shrimp stun prey with snaps louder than a rock concert. Yet, the ocean is growing noisier due to human activity, climate change, and degraded ecosystems. This anthropogenic noise masks animal sounds, disrupts behaviors, and even causes chronic stress in marine life, much like noise pollution affects humans. Studies in the Colombian Pacific found humpback whales fed less frequently, and at shallower depths, during breeding season, as ship noise increased. In Australia, migrating humpback whales spent more time underwater and extended their dives when vessels were nearby. Military sonar has been linked to whale strandings, with beaked whales suffering injuries like decompression sickness and hemorrhaging around their ears and brains. Even reef fish, like the Amban damselfish, exhibit increased stress and reduced parental care in noisy environments. But there's hope. Understanding how marine life uses sound has led to innovative restoration efforts. By playing recordings of healthy reef soundscapes, scientists can lure fish back to damaged reefs, helping them recover faster. Initiatives like the World Ocean Passive Acoustics Monitoring (WOPAM) Day, launched in 2023, capture underwater soundscapes globally, fostering a shared appreciation for the ocean's acoustic universe. Here's the controversial part. While we've seen the harm of noise pollution, reducing it on a global scale is a logistical and economic challenge. Should we prioritize marine life over shipping efficiency? And how do we balance human needs with the health of our oceans? These questions spark debate, but one thing is clear: the 2020 Quiet Ocean was a wake-up call. It showed us the profound impact of our actions and the urgent need to listen, not just to the ocean, but to what it's telling us about our planet's future. What do you think? Is it time to turn down the volume on our oceans? Or is the cost too high? Let's discuss in the comments.